everyone, welcome to Shweta's and my name is Shweta and today we have an awesome sequence for back pain. I rarely meet anyone who doesn't complain about back aching or back stiffness, so this is the practice you can incorporate to your daily routine, daily life or daily practice 5 days a week or 7 days a week. So be sure to favorite this video so you can come back to it easily, because I think this is something everybody can have benefit from. So let's get to it, hop on your mat and let's learn this sequence.
Namaste. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture, Padmasana, Sukhasana, or you can just cross your legs. Relax your shoulders, palms on your respective knees, and a gentle smile on your face. Take few deep breaths. Just observe your natural breathing. Open your eyes. Inhale and exhale, hunch your back and touch your chin to your chest. Now inhale, come to the center. And exhale, take your both hands back, interlock your fingers and look up and back. One more time, we will repeat. Hunch your back, touch your chin to your chest. Inhale to the center. Take your hands back and look up and back. Keep this practice according to your breathing, not too fast and not too slow. Stretch your legs forward. Slowly and gently come to Vajrasana. Walk with your hands forward and try to touch your forehead on the floor and do not lift your hip up. Inhale, walk in and come up. Again, stretch your legs forward, lie down on your back. Practice number 1, folded leg lumbar stretch. Type 1 with one leg. Legs together. Spread your hands sidewise at the shoulder level and palm facing down. Fold the right leg at the knee. Inhale and exhale, take your right leg towards right and head towards left. Inhale to the center, exhale to opposite side. Inhale to the center and exhale. Now repeat this for 5 more counts. Let the shoulder be firm on the ground and do not lift them during the practice. And be aware and concentrate on the lumbar region throughout the practice. Repeat the same on the left side, that is with the left leg folded and the right leg straight on the floor. Do not forget to synchronize knee movement with breathing. And with continued practice, you will be able to perceive the stretch better with lesser pain. And relax. Type 2. Take your both hands to your shoulder level, palm facing down. Bend your both knees and repeat as in type 1. First inhale, then exhale to the sides. Again inhale and exhale to another side. Synchronize knee movement with breathing. You may feel the stretch in the lumbar region much more in stage 2 than stage 1. Come to center, release and relax. Now type 3. Take your arms to your shoulder level, palm facing down. Cross leg lumbar stretch. Take your right leg up, cross the right leg over the left. Inhale, while exhaling, lower the knee to the right and head towards the left. Inhale to the center, exhale to another side. Repeat the same on the right and left. This is one round. Repeat 5 such rounds. Synchronize with your breathing. Release. Now take your right leg up. Cross the right leg over left. First inhale, then exhale to one side and inhale to the center, exhale to another side. Repeat 5 such rounds. Concentrate on your lumbar region to feel the stretch completely. Release and relax. Stretch your legs forward. Practice 2 Pavan Muktasana. While inhaling, slowly raise the right leg up to 90 degrees. While exhaling, bend the knee. Pull it towards the chest with the hands and simultaneously raise the head, trying to touch the knee with forehead. Maintain for a while. Then take the head to the ground. Inhale, stretch up the right leg to 90 degrees and release. Repeat the same with left leg. Bend your knee. Catch hold of your leg. Inhale, try to touch your forehead to your knee. Release. Leg up to 90 degrees and down. Repeat the same with both the legs. Bend your legs. Catch hold of your both legs. Come up. Hold for a while and feel the stretch in the lumbar region. Take the head to the ground, legs to 90 degrees and release. Legs apart, palm facing up, relax for a while. Now practice number 3 Setubandh Asana lumbar stretch. Bend your knees, palms on the floor. While inhaling, raise the buttocks up and exhale down. This is one round. Repeat 5 such rounds. Inhale up and exhale down. 2. Inhale up and exhale down. 3. Inhale up, exhale down. 4. Inhale up. Now this time, if you feel much flexible, then you can catch hold of your ankle. Exhale down. Now inhale up. If you are not able to catch your ankle, then it's okay. And exhale down. Release your legs. Stretch your legs forward. Now stage 2. While inhaling slowly, take the buttocks and trunk up and place the hands under the waist to support the body well. Then you exhale, slowly stretch the legs forward by sliding the feet inch by inch. While inhaling, slowly bend the knees again, moving the feet backward inch by inch. Release and stretch your legs and relax. Practice number 4 Dorsal stretch. While inhaling slowly, raise the head, shoulder and body up to the dorsal part of the back and raise the arms to the shoulder level, parallel to the ground. Hold this for a while and now exhaling, come down to the floor and repeat for 5 times. Practice number 5 Straight leg raise breathing. Now inhale, take your right leg up to 90 degrees without bending the knee as far as comfortable. Exhale, return the leg to the floor. Now repeat the practice with left leg. This is one round and perform 10 such rounds. Do not bend the knee throughout the practice. Do not disturb the leg lying straight on the ground in order to be able to raise the other leg further. Even if you can, do not raise the leg beyond 90 degrees. Relax legs apart. Practice number 5 Side leg raising. Lie down on left side, head resting on left arm and right hand in front of chest. Inhale, raise your right leg up and exhale down. This is one round. Repeat 5 such rounds. In one round of practice, one provides a good stretch to the lumbar region. For better effect, synchronize body movement with inhalation and exhalation. Now repeat the same on the another side. Take your left leg up and down. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Feel the strong stimulation of the lateral stretch at the lumbar region. Release and relax. Turn around, lie down in your abdomen. Practice number 6, Bhujangasana breathing. Relax for a while and get ready for Bhujangasana. Place the palms near the last rib bone. Inhale, raise the head trunk up to the navel with minimum support on the palms. Do not take support of the palms completely. Just try to check, remove your hands and then place it on the ground again. Keep breathing. Normal breathing. Now do not do this, you do not need to go up completely. Bend your elbows and stay there and do not take support of your palms completely. Exhaling slowly, bring the trunk and the head back to the starting position. This is one round and repeat 10 such rounds. And after that you can relax for a while. Practice number 7, Dhanurasana. Get ready, bend your knees, catch hold of your ankle. Now inhale, lift your head, chest and knee up at the same time. Normal breathing, hold the posture for a while. Look up, chest out, shoulders back. Exhale, release the posture. Release your legs. Repeat 5 such rounds and then relax. Come up and sit in Vajrasana. Practice number 8, Shashankasana breathing. Take the hands behind the back. Inhale, backward from the waist, open up the chest. Exhale, slowly bend forward from the waist, forehead onto the ground and collapse the shoulders. Normal breathing. Hips should not be raised from the heels while bending forward. Keep your eyes closed and maintain breath awareness. Synchronize breathing with the movement and slowly while inhaling, come up to the vertical position. This forms one round. Continue 10 rounds slowly. Now for practice number 8, come to tabletop position. Inhale and exhale, touch your chin to your chest, hunch your back. Now inhale, look up and curve your back. Exhale, go down. Inhale, look up. This is one round and repeat 5 rounds. Inhale, come up and exhale, go down. Inhale, come up, look up. And exhale, hunch your back and go down. Coordinate the movements with breathing and do not bend the arms or move the thighs forward and backward. Release, come to Shashankasana. Relax for a while. These are the practices to relieve the back pain. Do practice it daily for better results. If you like the video, do hit the subscribe button and bell icon. I would love to have you as my subscriber. Thanks for watching.